Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and yes, this is a PowerBook G4. In the last video, that was concerned with doing up one that I bought from eBay that wouldn't start, and we got that working. I eventually did transfer the 2GB of RAM from a really beat up one into that one, and it's pretty much a perfectly good usable machine now, so that's going to go back on eBay soon. This, however, is mine, and I've often wondered about a certain thing to do with recovery mode. As you know, macOS uses something called recovery, which from Lion 10.7 onwards is an inbuilt system where you can reinstall, look at your disks and basically perform diagnostic and, repair stuff on a Mac outside of the operating system. That's all good. But ones before that, you couldn't do it. You had install disks just like this one. This one is Leopard, which is meant for this machine, and this particular version is the PowerPC release, which is meant for the older non-Intel Macs. I was wondering to myself, is it going to be possible to take what this is and kind of make a recovery mode? So make like a bootable partition on here that would actually work. You could do all the same things that you did on a disk, but from the hard drive. And well, really, there's only one way to find out. Let's have a look. Okay, so I really should be doing this with a tripod because this is apparently unprofessional. But screw this. Use English. Actually, my arm's getting a bit sore. I think I might switch to the tripod. Alright, so we've got this on a tripod because I couldn't be asked to hold it. Continue. Spin up again. Come on, come on. Yes, everyone reads this. Now it says... okay. A newer version is installed. Okay, so go to utilities, disk utility. Does not make a fuss about it. Okay, so we've got the Macintosh SSD now. From measurements I took, I've already had a look into the actual size of the disk. It takes up about 7.6 gig on the actual install DVD. So if we just give it like around 8 gigabytes, it's going to work out just fine. Okay, so we need to go up to here. Now, I have made a backup of this on Time Machine, so we should just be able to do that. And then we could just make that 8 gigabytes. Yep, so okay, so that's going to be absolutely fine. We won't bother renaming that because that's just going to become whatever we copy it from. So then we just have to go apply. Partition. Okay, that looks like that finished. Excellent. It's not there. Hold on a second, I've seen this before. So if we stop disk utility and we bring it up again. Yeah, there it is, okay. Whew, panic over. Alright then, so we click on that and we do restore. Now, this is presuming this works at all. I don't know if it will. So we're going to take the source, which is going to be... So we take that, and then we put in the destination of that. And that should be about all it takes. So let's just pray to hell this works. Of course I want to, yes. Go! Okay, apparently it's got a minute left, so yeah, nearly done. Okay, so that's done. 35 to 40 minutes and it's finished. I'll try to see if I can eject the CD, DVD, whatever. Maybe not. Alright. Alright, so I managed to get the disk out and shut it down, so let's start up using the Alt key. If I even press it right. Hey! So there's two. It still retains its old name. So that didn't copy over. It's the number 2, so we do that. And then that. Holy shit, it worked. Okay, let's go straight into it. I had this idea that this just wasn't going to work. Yeah, there we go. It's got all the stuff on there. There's nothing in the disk drive. Wow, okay, well let's try and restart this, because I don't know if this actually works. I just got the disk out and shut it down. Hopefully it won't pop up when we're just trying to do normal stuff, so quit and restart. Okay, so it seems to come up just fine. Hopefully it doesn't start anything. It doesn't look like it has. Yeah, it's not waiting or anything. Yeah, that works absolutely fine. So, I'm kind of amazed. Okay, so I've just taken you off the tripod there. Yeah, I mean, I thought this episode of Techsperiments was going to be a bust, but it's actually not. Also, what I've done is I've renamed the partition recovery, so it's all nice and official, so it's like a recovery mode, and I've used a terminal command while in root user to hide it from here. So also what I've done is removed it from Spotlight, so you won't actually accidentally search any of the components. But there we go. I'm actually amazed. It worked perfectly. So I'm assuming you could probably do this with anything else. Like you could probably do it with Tiger, maybe. You could probably even Snow Leopard on an Intel Mac. But yep, I'm going to get on out of here, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.